Hi, welcome to Innovation and Electronics. So in this video I am going to explain power generation from heat energy. So in this project we are used a peltier model. So in order to generate the power from heat source, from heat source, and then the heat converted into electrical energy by using this converter, and then this power stored to the battery, and then this power we can use our DC load also. So in this project you can find one peltier model. So this is the TC1127006 module. So in this module we are, whenever the heat present in front of the module, so it will making some electricity, which means it will generating some electricity. So that power feed to the DC to DC boost converter. So we are connecting the peltier model in this driver. This driver used to convert low voltage into high voltage by using this kind of connection, which means this circuit acts as a DC to DC boost converter, and then this power all feed to the battery. So here I am using 12 volt 7Ah battery, and then the power is stored to the battery. Finally we are using one DC load for running the DC power. Okay, so whenever power generating, whenever we are giving heat in front of the module, so electricity is generating. So that time the LCD also denoting charging or not. Okay, so whenever charging, the LED will indicating. So now I'm going to turn on the project. Now project is turned on. So and then this project we are added one temperature module also in order to monitor the temperature range also. Okay, fine. Now project is ready. You can find the temperature is 34.75 degree. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to show the demo. So I'm going to use my lighter in order to making heat energy. So kindly so I'm going to simply wait a minute. Okay, now I'm going to making heat in front of the sensor. So what happened? So heat is generating. That time the LED, the system will making power. Okay, now heat is generating. So you can find charging. So the white LED is also glowing. So whenever some heat present in front of the peltier module, so that time charging. Okay, so you can watch that LED. That LED will glowing whenever the heat is present in front of the peltier. Okay, you can see that now LED is glowing. You can find it charging. Okay, the heat will reduce within few minutes. So after heat is reduced, so the charging also disconnected. So this is the complete module. We can connect more peltier in series or parallel, depends upon our requirement. So we can charge more battery also. So this is our complete project. Now I'm going to explain the component detail. What are the components I used here? This is the battery. Now I'm going to turn on the light. Okay, this is the DC load. Okay, now load is also glowing. I disconnect the power battery, I mean adapter also, but LED is glowing because I am taking power from battery. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to explain the components. So what are the components I used here? This is Atmega 338 microcontroller. So we can use the Arduino board also. This is our customized PCB. That's why we are using here. So if you need any Arduino board, now we can use Arduino board also. So this is the 16 cluster LCD display, and this is the DC to DC boost converter, which is used to convert low voltage into high voltage in order to save the power to the battery. Okay, and then we are taking load DC load also inside of the connector. So this is the complete project. So if you have any doubt or question regarding that project, kindly contact our office number. Thank you for watching. Thank you.